Let me show you how to install the MDF protector. First, use the tool to connect the wires with the module, and cut the extra wires one by one. By the way, 1-patch MDF protector TP151A1B is used for LSA modules, which forms the protection circuit for the protection of exchange room equipment and personnel against overvoltage. It can solve the problem of short-term AC voltage induced by external lines when power lines, power systems, or electrified railway systems near external lines fail, and so on. Next, adjust the two wires on one side through the wire management buckle, and insert the two wires on another side through the threading bore. Moreover, the housing of the protector is flame retardant, high temperature resistance, and aging resistance. The MDF protector is 1-pair modular design. Finally, install the MDF protector onto the module. It's finished. Thanks for watching.
The Apple, your partner in growth.